I know you wanna fuck me. I know you wanna fuck me.
I mean, like, why not? Why not? Like, why the heck not? I would. What is up, my beautiful people? It's a Jamaican friend here again with another Anitta reaction, right? So before I go any further into this reaction, I've done a previous reaction on Anitta's video called Grip, right? And it did well. It did well, but it didn't get 1,000 views because I think you guys never really understand, right? But I need you guys to check out this particular song as well, just to show some more support. I need this video to get like 1,000 views to show the appreciation of what, right, a Jamaican guy could do, right? But I received so much comments saying I should check out the album. No, Anitta has given us a brand new video from the album. That track is called Funk Generation. It's actually my first time reacting to this particular song. I'm not sure what is it all about, but I love this Brazilian music. I love her style. I love her energy. She's a queen, as one suggested. So without further ado, oh yes, and this song is a 8-minute long video, right? So without further ado, let's dive in. Peace.
Pongo mi booty en bikini, lo ve, lo quiere con mermelada. Ve como rebota, me lo quiere detonar. Yo le piloneé 2 veces y me compró Dolce & Gabbana.
She's gonna kill this, bro. She's gonna kill this. She's a queen after all, bro. She's a queen.
Perra, mi amiga, pido por mi boca todo lo que yo quiera me da porque sabe que si me le muevo no vuelvo para atrás. Él me conoció en un teteo y está feo, si cree que en la calle la voy a dejar.
Cuando me lo prueban no me pueden olvidar.
Yo, bars, bro, bars. Yo, she's one of the few Brazilian artists I really respect, because she always give us bars in her music, bro. Oh my! Oh my! I love the energy. I love the vibe, bro. Yo, you see why you guys see why she's a queen, bro? She's a queen, bro. Yo, the energy, bro, is mad. The energy is mad. Damn, buka, buka, buka. Yo, yo, the way she do a thing like this, bro, that's superb. That's dope. Oh my god, I think I'm in love, bro. Yeah, I think I'm in love with this, bro. These females, bro. Yo, I love it. I love it. Females, bro, literally caught my attention with what they're doing. Those booty shaking, bro. Bro. Buka, buka, buka. They're so sexy, bro. I love that transition. It is so smoothly done. A proper written video. Yo, the song is perfect. The name of the song is also perfect, bro. Let's get funky. Funky. Let's get funky. Buka, 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 bro. This is a masterpiece of work, bro. To be honest, I love it. Whoa, the footwork, bro, is dope. Buka, buka, buka. The footwork is dope as well, my nigga. My nigga. Yo, I love it. I love it. It's a perfect combination, bro. I love it. Oh my. English, bro. Those booties, bro. Buka, bro. Yo, they're just so grabbable. The booties are shaking, bro.
¿Quién es ella? ¿Quién se cree?
Astounding. Astounding music, bro. Yo, I love it. 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 Bruh. Right now, bro. I wish I was there because I love the energy. So I love it. Oh my goodness. Real. Real. Oh my, bro. This is dope, bro. This is one heck of a music video, bro. To be honest, it's a solid 10 for me. It's a solid pass mark, bro.
Pode pra caralho, filha da puta. Me bota.
After I think it was done, they came up back with something exquisite more. It's more exquisite than normal, bro. I love it. 'Like, why not? Why not? Like, why the heck not? I would, and I want. I would, and I want. 8 minutes of fire, bro. Wow, that was good. That was really good. Damn. You guys subscribe for more. I will see you guys make your suggestions. So I'll see you guys in the next video.